finally we arrived. I have been here before. That's 5 years. Don't remember. Need to take ticket for zipline. Even the weather is not good. Cafe in the jungle. I saw one big one over there. I could not step over. Kaka, aku ingin nak kerja aku ingin kau lah, babi. It is near Taipei 101. Lot of property shop here. This smells so bad. Baka yan la de ke do mo yo lo ba mo mi ha mo yo ba ko la bo win ji 120ပေးရ မှာဟိုပြီးကြောက်ဆောင်နေပုံများကြောက်ဆောင်လာနေထိုးရင်ကောင်းမှာပဲ I wish there is no rain.
Welcome to Fulton Island Geopark in accordance with the Tobacco Hazard Prevention Act.
The cafe ကဒီပင်လယ်မှာရှိရဆိုတော့ပင်လယ်နဲ့ပင်လယ်စာနဲ့ပေါင်းလုပ်ထားတာပေါ့နော်ဒါကပင်လယ်မှာရှိတဲ့စီဝီဟိုမှာမြင်ရတယ်မှာအဲ့ရစီဝီရဲပြီးတော့ဂျယ်လီရဲခရမ်ရဲကိတ်ကိတ်
거기다 밀물도 들어왔다가 썰물도 못 나가는 거.
My face is so big.
Look at my hair. We are wet now. Let's get everything's wet. So beautiful. Thật ra đâu cũng beach cảnh treo lại là bác. Tức là đâu khaiရောက်သွားရင်လာရ2 နာရီလောက်2 နာရီလောက်မကောက်3 နာရီလောက်ကြာအခုကတော့နေ့လေတော့မစားဘူးညတော့နေ့လေတော့တောင်းစားchicken butter chicken ရယ်cheese နဲ့ garlic dosa masala dosa ဒါကတို့လာနေကြပါဘလို့ပြည့်နေလဲဆိုတာဒီနေ့ Friday night ဆိုတော့လေဒါအဲ့ This is club area in Taipei 101. There's a lot of people waiting. They just sit, stand outside. This is for club over there. Okay. We are at the Amati station. This Amati station goes directly to the airport. So we will leave bed here. With after this, we will pick it up. I think around 4 p.m. we will come and pick it. So now it's around 11. We have to go for breakfast and go around shopping again. Okay. Station really cool.
Set a 6-digit pickup.
We have never been here before. Oh, street food. Lot of street. What is this street? Okay, but I'm full already. After Taiwanese breakfast. Queue, long queue everywhere. But people stay waiting for queue, you see? Oh, really long queue. Okay, the drink I got lychee tea. Finish coffee. Going for shopping. Now weather is a little bit hot. All the shopping mall buildings are connected to each other.